Lost Sock. Written and illustrated by Tim Hopgood.
These are my favourite socks. I like them because they're spotty and because they're blue. Blue is my favourite colour. My socks are lucky. Whenever I wear them, we have fish and chips for tea. Fish and chips is my favourite thing for tea. But today isn't my lucky day. I can't find one of my lucky socks. Look in the wash basket, says Mum. But it's not there.
It's probably under your bed,
says Dad. But it's not there. I know where your sock is, says Grandad, smiling. It's in Sockland. That's where all the lost socks go. Grandad says in Sockland, white socks float across the blue sky like clouds. Socks of all colours hang from the trees. And socks with holes in are carefully mended by the pretty sock birds that live in the sock trees. But smelly socks are put in the cave where the sock dragon lives. The sock dragon gets very angry if there aren't enough socks for him to eat. Grandad says that's why so many socks go missing. I'm worried that the sock dragon has eaten my lucky blue sock. Was it smelly? Asks Grandad. I don't think so, I reply. Well then, what are you worried about? Your sock will be having a great time, he says. But I wish my sock would come back. We haven't had fish and chips for ages. And then Grandad gives me a present. It's a lovely new pair of blue socks. And guess what? I think they might be lucky. Because today we're having fish and chips for tea.